So what do you do if you're friends with somebody who's constantly complaining about their relationship and you give them this great advice and they're just like, forget your advice, I'm going back to the relationship, and lo and behold, they get hurt and they come to complain to you again. They're like, oh my God, you never believe what happened. And you can finish what happened. You can finish the sentence, what happened. Whew. What do you do with those kind of people? Well, if you're trying to save the relationship, you need to tell them how you feel about the experience with them. You just say, hey, all right, you came to me last time with all this stuff, and I gave you some advice, and you didn't listen to me. So, what I want to do is tell you that it sucks for you to come ask me and ignore everything I say. It feels like I'm not here. You don't care about me. It takes time, energy from me. It's draining. It's exhausting to tell you about how to help you and fix your life and have you just throw it away, ignore it. It feels like I'm not even cared for at all. Put that out there and see what happens with that. Because a real friend would be like, oh, maybe I shouldn't bring this stuff to you anymore.